Buckling, a bulge, bend, kink or other wavy condition of the workpiece caused by compressive stresses. This type of compressive stresses forms a buckling on the forging. This buckling also happens when the L/D ratio of the billet is not maintained. Burning. Burning is permanently damaging a metal or alloy by heating so as to cause either incipient melting or intergranular oxidization. This generally happens when the metal is heated above the specified temperature, and that is also called as overheating. Due to this overheating, burning happens on the component.